Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Liz, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome guys. Yeah, today is a bite or bin it video. In my bite or bin it videos, typically if I like a product or service, I'll rate it a bite, and if I don't like it or if I haven't had a good experience, I will rate it a bin it. If this product is considered a bite, then they have hit jackpot, because we're finding this year we're pretty much relying on DIY a lot with things. I'm sure you guys can see I look super dry. I've come out of the shower and I've not put anything on. Literally no moisturizer, I haven't toned, I haven't cleansed. And I wanted to do that because I wanted to test this out on a bare face without there being any products that may get in the way. So the products which I'm going to try out are these two. This one is supposed to be for the brows and this one's just supposed to be for hair all over you. So it removes hair instantly and pain-free. So it says it's gentle on all skin types. It's got a built-in light. It lets you see even the finest hairs, so I guess that should be handy. So this one's the 18K gold plated version in the color blush, and this one is also the 18K gold plated. It has built-in light. They also claim it's going to be gentle on the skin and it's for all skin types. Again, perfect for facial hair removal. I typically tend to get my eyebrows threaded and I get my face hair waxed, and I also get chin hairs waxed every 2 weeks. So yeah, it was strange having to incorporate or do things myself. During this lockdown period, I've actually learned how to thread my chin hairs, so now that's what I tend to do. But I wanted to try out these products and see if this could be another alternative to you. So yeah, they are due to be cleaned up. They're looking wild. I'm pretty nervous because in terms of pain tolerance, everything hurts, so I'm hoping it's pain-free. But yeah, anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's get into testing these two products out. So I think I'm going to start off with the brows first, and then we'll move on to the facial hair. So when you open it up, let me show you, is what it looks like, and it comes with little mini brush. We've got the brow tool and we've got instructions. So I'm going to read through the instructions ever so quickly. The more you use the finishing touch flawless brows, the more precise your results will be. Please allow time for your hair and skin to become accustomed to this new innovative way to remove hair. So I placed my battery in it, and yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm excited and scared at the same time, if I'm honest. So how to use: slide switch to on position like in image 3, and light will turn on. Use on clean dry skin, pull skin tight and move in small back and forth motions. I'm going to use my speed brush on the end of my eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to brush these hairs up high. Well, let's switch it on together. Okay, let's do this. Is it coming off? I literally cannot feel anything and no pain. It works. Do you know what? I can feel warmth. It's a bit warm. Okay, it works. Like, you can see a few hairs. I've been seeing this on the advert literally all the time. I was a bit like, sure. But it actually works. I'm going to show you guys this brow up close. Look at the hairs. So I'm going to show you after when I use it. I think, guys, we found a game changer. Oh my gosh, it works. Do you know what? You have to be careful with this. You end up with no brows because 1, there's no pain, and 2, your hairs are coming off. No, look at my brows. Obviously, you know, I don't have those thick, Insta brows that everyone loves, but look. What? Once the shape is how you want it, you can easily just like get rid of the stubborn little hairs. Once you get the shape, you just need this. The pain is 0. It's not 1, it's not 2, it's 0. So I've opened up the other one and it's slightly bigger and thicker compared to the eyebrow one. So the eyebrow one's a bit smaller. You to see the comparison with the two sizes. So with the eyebrow one, you need the really small batteries, and then with the facial hair one, you need like the regular size batteries. Don't know if I want to show you guys my facial hair like everywhere. I know like majority of people are gonna be like, it's not that deep, it's just hair removal, and it's true, but obviously, you know, society makes you feel some way about it. But I'm sure you can see bits of my facial hair. Hopefully this doesn't hurt, fingers crossed. Let's go, guys. No pain. The hairs are gone. Obviously you can like what you like and do what you do. For me, on me, I don't like having hair there. I find it very annoying that it grows. I should probably go and get it lasered off, but my experience with laser wasn't great, unfortunately. I might brave it up and try again. I have very sensitive skin, so I reacted to laser. I may do a video about that actually. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. But so far, it hasn't hurt on my moustache area, on my upper lip. Time for the final verdict. Let's go. Oh, okay, I felt it a little bit. The hairs are going. Okay, let me inspect it properly to see. Wow, I just can't believe it. When I used this, I felt a little, oh, that one twitch obviously caught me off guard, so that was probably like a 1. But Pain Wear, they must be micro mini razors. Honestly guys, I don't think I say anything more. This, hands down, I would rate a buy it, because it's pain free. I was expecting it to be like what do you call those things? Is it epilators? Is that how you pronounce it? I was expecting it to be like that where it hurts. This literally just felt like something is just rubbing back and forth on my skin. It didn't feel rough, it just felt very smooth on the skin. It did a good job. All my stubborn hairs that I wanted to get rid of all gone. I like the fact it has a light that you can see here that pops up, so it reflects onto your skin when you're using it, so you can like see what you're doing. Obviously I was using my mirror. Same with this one. When you use it, it has the light which is up here. Obviously saw it came with brushes and you're supposed to use that to clean off the hairs. I guess people that are not for shaving will probably be against this, I'm assuming, and probably would advise you to go get wax and threading. But I guess for the meantime, especially during lockdown, whilst everyone's at home, if you can't opt for those options, if you prefer those options, this is definitely an alternative to check out. So yeah, I don't know what else to say apart from I'm really impressed. I really like this. Now I understand why my feed is flooded with this advert. I get it now, honestly, I get it. As seen on TV is definitely as it is in real life. And yeah, this is a buy it. I'm actually going to rate this a 10 out of 10. I don't think I've rated anything a 10 out of 10 before in my Bite or Bin It series. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this, any links, I'll leave them down below. If there's any other products you'd like me to review and, you know, experiment before you guys run out there and spend your money, let me know. I'll go out there and get it. Well, I guess we can't go out there physically, but I'll order it online and give you my little review. But yeah, thank you guys for watching as always. Well done to whoever invented this. As always, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Let me know your experience if you tried this. Was it as good as mine, or did you feel any pain? I'm just still gobsmacked. But yeah, anyways, I think I'm talking too much. I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Boy, hold me close, never let me go. I want you to take control.